She was so dialed in and focused on exactly what I need.
I mean, it was just jam-packed with so much value. I mean, you did not stop.
I was really happy to be on your workshop. I thought your workshop was excellent.
You gave massive value, and anybody out trying to grow their business. Anne is a great authority.
I learned so much. I can't believe you give this away for free. People asked questions specifically about their business. You basically coach them on the spot.
I was looking for somebody to help me with a roadmap to get to the 100K type of servicing that I know I can offer. And Anne is that go-to person.
What I really found out is what the possibilities are. Anne opened my eyes up, and that is, hey, you can go for a big ticket item. Once we went through the workshop, I'm now able to identify a program that's going to be somewhere around 15K or 25K.
I just attended a free 2-day virtual event with Anne Carden, and my soul is on fire with excitement with all of the goodness that workshop gave me.
The amount of value that was in that 2-day workshop was phenomenal.
And I really appreciated your energy, your enthusiasm, and most of all, your content.
And it really reignited me to step forward.
Yes, it is 6 hours, and I thought it was a great use of my time.
I mean, I couldn't believe, after I keep going back to the notes, how many things and how fast we want to implement those.
And it was jam-packed with amazing content. The thing that I really liked, it helped me to really think bigger.
It was a great workshop, well worth the time.